Affiliate marketing. It's everywhere. You've seen the promises, the flashy ads, the gurus telling you they have the secret. But here's the real question. Why do so many fail while a small group quietly wins?
I've been there. I know what it feels like to try every shiny object, every system, and still feel like nothing works. That frustration nearly broke me, but it's also what forced me to strip away the noise and find what really worked.
And today, we're closing the loop. This isn't just another video. It's the recap, the shortcut, the roadmap. The proof that you don't need 50 programs or 100 random tools. You need a system. Most people who start in affiliate marketing fail, not because they're lazy, not because they don't want it badly enough. They fail because they've been sold broken systems. Systems that only work if you already have thousands of dollars to spend. Systems that rely on spamming friends or chasing the next trend. Systems that drain your energy and your wallet.
I wasted months trying those shortcuts. The truth? They weren't shortcuts at all. They were traps.
And if you're watching this, maybe you felt the same. Maybe you've asked, what if I'm just not cut out for this? But let's be clear. You are. You just need the right stack. CashWave isn't about hype. It's about tested, proven, working systems. Craig built this entire vault not as theory, but from the trenches. What he actually used to go from frustration to freedom.
And I didn't do it alone. Every toolkit, every program I recommend, I tested it, I used it, and I watched real people, subscribers just like you, use it to change their lives.
7 toolkits, each one designed for a specific stage, from starting faceless YouTube channels to building funnels that pay you in your sleep, from launching side hustles on your phone to stacking programs that scale. And here's the thing, you don't need them all at once. Start with one. Build momentum, then stack. Let's recap the journey. 1. The Creator Toolkit. Launch a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools without ever showing your face. This is where beginners finally see traction. 2. The Evergreen Funnel Toolkit. Your systems that run 24/7, building your list and paying you on autopilot. 3. The Freedom Toolkit. Repurposing, short-form monetization. Turning one video into 20+ pieces of content. 4. AI Toolkit Essentials. The cutting-edge AI stack, content generation, automation, and scale without burnout. 5. The Crypto Safety Starter Kit. For those who want to tap into crypto, but safely. No hype, no gambling, just secure stacking. 6. The Cell Phone Cash Starter Kit. For anyone who wants side hustles, you can literally run from your phone. 7. Your Partner Stack. Craig's personal 10K program lineup, the exact affiliate programs that generate high-ticket commissions.
That's the vault, that's the roadmap. It's not random, it's not theory. It's the same system I used to pay off debt, build freedom, and finally trust the process.
It's one thing to hear Craig's story. It's another to see results from real people. Subscribers who started with zero. No list, no camera, no confidence. One subscriber used the Creator Toolkit to launch their faceless channel. Within weeks, they had videos ranking, subscribers flowing, and their first commissions hitting their inbox. Another subscriber stacked the Evergreen Toolkit with Partner Stack programs. They didn't just make a sale, they built recurring monthly income that compounds.
That's why I share this, not because I want to be the guru, but because I've seen normal people, teachers, parents, college students finally win. And when they win, it's proof this system works.
The truth is, without this, you're guessing. You're spending months, maybe years, bouncing between strategies. And in the process, you lose money, time, and confidence.
If I had this shortcut when I started, it would have saved me 12 months of pain. I wouldn't have wasted thousands on tools I never used. I wouldn't have questioned myself late at night, wondering if I should just quit.
That's why this vault exists, to collapse time, to give you a roadmap instead of a maze, to hand you the stack Craig and his subscribers already proved works. Now it's your move. The vault is here. The toolkits are tested, the programs are waiting. The only difference between those who win and those who quit? Action.
Don't waste years like I did. Don't chase gurus. Don't guess. Start with one toolkit, build, stack, and watch what happens.
Don't waste years like I did. Don't chase gurus. Don't guess. Start with one toolkit, build, stack, and watch what happens.
I'll see you on the inside.